Hey everyone, Jeff here. Welcome back to Imagination Tech. So today I'm just going to do a quick video and take a look at this Runcam Phoenix 2 Nano and this Smoox 1404 3850 kV motor from RCINPOWER. So let's take a look at the Runcam Phoenix 2 Nano. I've actually had this since December and was out in the market for much longer than that. So opening up this Runcam Phoenix 2 Nano, this is priced at around $28, so it's a little bit cheaper than the Micro Eagle 2, Micro Eagle 3. But it comes in also in a micro form factor, or rather a nano form factor. The Micro Eagle is obviously a micro, but it does come with this adapter. So if you're going to put it in a mini quad, then that's gonna work as well. And yeah, it's made, I think it's made of like something like silicone or TPU. So yeah, it has an M8 lens and it's really light. So it also comes with this unique connector where one end goes into the camera and there are two connectors on the other end. This is for your power supply, ground and video feed, and the other one is for the remote control. So it's just one wire, but you probably don't want to lose this because I'm not sure where you can get a replacement for it. So yeah, you just plug that in and there are two connectors coming out of that wire. Now this Runcam Phoenix 2 is great if you are looking for a nano-sized low light camera. So this has even better low light performance than most nano cameras. It's similar in performance to the Micro Eagle series. Even though it's a nano-sized camera, it has a half-inch sensor, has 1000 TBL, and yeah, and it can support from 5 volts up to 6S, around 36 volts. So yeah, this is a really neat little camera. Moving on to the RCINPOWER motors, this is the Smoox plus 1404 3850 kV motors, and this is going to be either for for a 3S 4-inch long-range flyer, or you can use this as a 4S high kV motor, also for your 4S maybe. So first of all, this thing looks really nice, really amazing. This color is gunmetal and orange, I believe, and yeah, looks wise, it really looks like a premium motor. The windings really look really good, and the magnets also feel really good. I think this has 12 magnets, so you set this as 12 poles in Betaflight, and it has really nice silicone wires which let's just unwrap. So it's a pretty good length of silicone wire and really nice and soft. So well, it's 3850 kV again. This is meant as for your 3S or 4S acro. It's a little bit high for a long range, because for a long range you probably would want to go for something below 3000 kV. But yeah, the motors really feel good. It's really it feels really coggy, but it also feels really smooth. So yeah, I can't wait to put this on my 4-inch build, which I am about to build today, and hopefully I'm going to put out a video about that soon. But yeah, so this was just a quick look on these two products, the RCINPOWER Smoox Plus 1404 3850 kV motor and the Runcam Phoenix 2 Nano, which are both going into my 4-inch long-range build. And you can get these both from Drone Hub PH on Shopee, which is Andre's Shopee store. So do check that out. I'm going to link that in the description. By the way, the price, this goes for around 1,750 pesos, and this goes for 900 pesos each. So not bad. This is a really premium quality motor. So it's priced, it's priced just as probably as much or even more expensive than a 5-inch motor, but is what you pay for quality. Right, so I'm just going to keep it at that. Again, I'm going to link the product links in the description to the Drone Hub PH Shopee store, and I'm going to close this video. It's going to be just a very short preview video. Right, so as always, keep building and keep flying.